Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix WhatsApp error. You need the official WhatsApp to use this account. If you're using any WhatsApp and you're having this type issue that you need the official WhatsApp to log in or to use this account, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first thing you have to make sure that you haven't installed any modded application on your phone. If you have installed, try to uninstall it and install an official version of your WhatsApp from Play Store and App Store. Or if you having issue else, so you just have to try to disconnect it with your VPN, because sometimes it might be that your VPN is connected, so you might get these type errors. So you have to disable your VPN or if you are connected. And once you have that, it will almost fix your issue. Or if this doesn't work for you, you have to open your App Store and here search for WhatsApp. But first you have to uninstall the WhatsApp app. Keep a long press on it. Select remove app. Select delete app. Then delete it. It will uninstall the WhatsApp. Then you can easily install it from your App Store or Play Store. And once you have reinstalled, so it will almost fix your issue. Or if this doesn't work for you, so you have to try to contact with the WhatsApp support. Now to do that, you can use your WhatsApp app itself or you can use your browser, but I'm going to use the browser here. So you have to open your browser and simply search for WhatsApp support or support on WhatsApps, something like that. You just have to open the first website from here and then select the option of contact us. And here you have to enter some details. The very first, you have to enter your phone number, then email address, then re-enter your email address, and here you have to select your device. It might be your Android, iPhone, or web and desktop. And then you have to enter your message here. So you just have to enter your issue. And after doing that, you have to select next. It will send a Gmail message or an email to WhatsApp support. And after that, they will tell you how to fix issue. If you have any unofficial version, so they will send you the link to download official version of your WhatsApp. So in this way you can really fix the issue that your WhatsApp error. You need the official WhatsApp to use this account. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.